Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace this piece of your toilet right there. It is the flusher or the handle. Basically, after time goes on, yours will start to look like this. As you can see, my old one just snapped right off here. Just completely snapped. And so it was taped for a little while, and then the tape eventually broke too. So I'm like, you know what guys, it's time to replace this thing now. So we've gone ahead and gone and picked up a brand new one. We got an all size fits all, but as you can see, it is like, we ended up measuring this little plastic piece to make sure we got the right one. And I took a look at the connector in there to make sure it was right. But I ended up finding an all size fits all, so if you had a short one, you can actually just cut them off at the grooves depending on which size you actually need. So without any further ado, basically this will be in here, right, and then the other piece will be coming off the back there. So the first thing you're gonna need to do is take your new set, well, I guess take your old one off. And the easiest way is basically the assembly, basically backwards is how you take it off. So it's very, very quite simple. The only thing you will need is this adjustable wrench here. Very easy. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that little stopper off. You're gonna have this little square hole and you're gonna feed it through, making sure that your handle is level and that the bar is level. You know, it will work. That's exactly how it's meant to work. So then you take your little washer that came on the end and you're gonna slide it on in with the flat edge towards the ceramic, making sure not to do what I did and pull it off. You're just gonna tighten it on with your fingers there. You're gonna have to feed itself on. There we go. And you can, you know, as you go. There we go. And then you're gonna come through with the adjustable wrench and tighten it up the rest of the way. We won't do that on camera, but basically guys, and then to disassemble it, same thing. You would unscrew this the other way, you know, take it off, and then away you go. Now the last step is there's this chain. This would have been attached. You want to keep this in one piece when you're disconnecting it, but you're gonna need to find which hole you need to feed it through on this bar, and then now, as you can see, everything works perfect as intended. So if this video helped you guys out at all, you know, drop a like, drop a subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. So a quick summary here guys, basically you take off, to fix it, you take off the old piece by unscrewing this piece right here, this white washer will be on there. You unscrew that, and then feed it off, unhook this chain right here. And then it's easier if you hook the chain on the overflow. You just keep it over there, you disassemble everything, you feed it out, you feed the new one in and do it all backwards, and then you hook the chain back up, and then away you go. You're all kind of set, ready to go. Until next time, we'll talk to you later. Peace.